10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead 4. Steady as she goes. G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch. Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port start.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, service stall ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. Controls, 8 degrees down. Set course to 70 degrees true as midday as it goes. Now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without N.E.M.O.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute. Straight there, so what's the no? I'm more explorers, it's time.
Look up! What if N.E.M.O.'s running out that Sure. Where? EAC, dude! You'll be like, whoa! Let's go! Follow me to the EAC!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold steady, take her into the car. All ahead standing.
Aye, aye, sir.
Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun!
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
This is all shipwreck. Oh no, this isn't shipwreck. Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken rod. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you? I am looking for my son.
I can help you.
Remember the pledge!
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food.
Right then, mates. Easy does it. You would want one of these. That's it.
Secure all stations. System check.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, forward.
Hey, Squirt, how's this twinkling thing? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory!
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Just a little
Something touched me.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know you? Dory! Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
But you had that. Look at that Nemo shark gift.
Me first. I'm thinking of something
Kind of
bouncy
chilly.
that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Jellyfish.
Now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of boing.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory! Invite to a party! Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs! It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found him! I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! We saw a huge volcano kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! Should see the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Dogging.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales are eating krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale!
Does it smell kind of greenish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna be Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Look, a big yellow whale. Wait, stop. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do? Swim, swim, swim.
Crikey.
Should I enter any of this in the room?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us.